Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. My name is Charlotte and this is Shonzos Plants. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks since I last posted my video. Really sorry for that. University work has just gone a bit crazy, but I have got a comparison video for you today. So these are two exactly the same plants today. They're both Raphidophora tetrasperma. Now, when I first bought this plant, I was like, I really wanted it. So the first time I saw one called Raphidophora tetrasperma, I bought within a click. And I got really excited. And when I got it, I instantly loved it. So this was the first one that I got. Okay, so this is the first Raphidophora that I got. However, this one here is exactly the same plant, but it looks completely different. So, for instance, my mum thinks they look exactly the same, but they are very different. This is a much darker leaf. It's actually thicker as well to touch, and you can see that it's much rounder. So if I put them next to each other, there's a massive difference. You can see these are smaller leaves, these are narrower, that one's rounder. You can see the newest one here, it's smaller because it came in shipping. It's much rounder. Now, I don't know about you guys, I do like the two of them, but I do prefer this one. And I found this one on Root Houseplants, so I will link them down below. And what I like about this one is the fact that it is just so much rounder, it looks more sturdy, the leaves are thicker and they look more lush. Whereas this one is a bit more of a bushy version, so you can see it's kind of going more to the side, but they both are trailing plants. Now, to explain the difference, why on earth are there two plants that are named exactly the same but look completely different? This one, the one that I first got, is actually the tissue culture version. Now, if you guys don't know what tissue culture is, Kaylee Ellen does have an amazing video that goes through what tissue culture actually is. But just to summarise it, it's basically where people take the cells from a plant. So they might have taken this one and cut it where the node is and grown those cells in a lab setting. So it's like when they grow bacteria on petri dishes, they do that with the plant, and they can grow a plant from doing that. This is what it ends up looking like once it's done in tissue culture, so they do look different. However, this is like the normal one. I don't know how to sort of say this one. This is the normal one, the wild type, if you're into genetics, I guess. The wild type, and this is the tissue culture type. But they're both exactly the same sort of husbandry wise, so the same kind of, they like to be sort of drying out, they like to trail. This one I think is more bushy, whereas this one will trail up just like a Monstera, and they do look similar to Monstera deliciosa, which is why they get called Monstera minima sometimes, so if you're familiar with calling them that. But I am really pleased. I'll show you what this plant actually looks like. It's quite huge, but I do really like it. So yeah, it's a short but sweet video there for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and when you go shopping now, let me know which one you would pick up first. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment below which one is your favourite, and check out the tissue culture video if you're interested in that.